This is a quick tutorial video on how to do the concentration curl, a great arm workout for isolating the biceps brachii. Begin the workout by selecting your weight and placing it between your legs with both feet flat on the floor. Lean forward and grab your weight and rest your elbow on the inside of your thigh. It shouldn't be on the top of your thigh where you can just lean down on it hard, but just kind of lightly resting on the inside of your thigh for stabilization. Once your arm is in place, allow the weight to extend all the way to the ground, and you'll begin your reps by pulling the weight straight up towards your body. You can think of it as pulling your pinky up towards your shoulder. The most important part of this exercise, as usual, is holding the weight steady as you allow it to fall back down to the ground. You'll complete the specified number of planned reps you've chosen on the one arm, and then once you've allowed the weight to go to the ground on the last rep, place it on the ground and switch arms. You'll complete the same number of reps on the other arm. The main things to avoid when completing this exercise is to make sure that your torso is not leaning forwards and backwards to assist in your weight, as remember, you are wanting to isolate the work that the biceps is doing. So you definitely don't want to be feeling yourself yanking on the weight, pulling it up, or anything like that. The other thing you want to avoid doing on this exercise is allowing the weight to lower to the ground faster than you are controlling it. For instance, once you've done a few reps, if you are lowering it to the ground and then you start allowing it to just kind of fall the rest of the way to the ground, you do want to control it the entire way. And if you can't do so for the entire number of reps that you've designated for your workout, you may need to either cut the reps or cut the weight a little bit. I said that I was going to be uploading these weekly, and I think I'm late by a day or two or something, but that's okay. We're doing it now. We're uploading it now. Studying is going well. I'm looking forward to taking the test. What else? These are some cheap Amazon weights, and they're in strange measurement numbers. This is a 5.5 pound plate, but you might think, oh, it makes sense in kilograms. No, still not really, because it's 2.5 kilograms. So I'm not exactly sure what the thought process on the weights were. So this was my quick explanation of the concentration curl, and not much of a yap session after that explainer. So this is truly a short video. Okay, that's all. Bye.